Hi everybody, today one more very simple recipe on the Pit Boss Ultimate 2 burners griddle. I'm gonna make some pork belly and pineapple slice that I will flambe with a whiskey, a cinnamon whiskey, the Fireball cinnamon whiskey. Okay, really easy to do. You just need some pork belly, of course, some pineapple, fresh pineapple, some sugar, and the whiskey. That's it. Okay, so I preheated the griddle and I'm just ready to cook. I don't need any oil, anything to make that recipe. All right, let's go. So let's start with the pineapple slices, and then now I will add some sugar on top of the pineapple slices. Now if I want to speed up the cooking process, I can just close the lid. And the griddle can cook with the lid closed. Alright, now I will flambe the pineapple slices. A very easy to do 10-minute recipe on the Pit Boss Ultimate 2 burners gas griddle. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe to my channel, and follow me for other video on the Pit Boss series Ultimate griddles. Thank you. Bye bye.